Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is one that I've so been looking forward to. Today's video is 6 wigs under $50, and I'm going to be trying them on, giving you my first impressions. So these wigs range from $45 all the way down to only $7.99. I have never bought a wig that cheap. I am very excited to see what that looks like on. I think we should start most expensive and go all the way down to least expensive. So the most expensive wig was $45.88. This is from the No Glow store. This is what this wig looks like online. Ooh! This is one of the other ones. This is the right one. Okay, here we go. So it comes in a bag. Nothing special. It was $45.88. This is definitely strawberry blonde. Okay. And then it comes with a hair cap. All right. Sorry, girl. See you later. In order to get the full review experience, I'm going to try on the wig cap that comes with each wig. Oh. Okay. This is really tight. This is what the cap looks like. All right, here we go, y'all. Moment of truth. Okay, cute. Here we have it, fresh out of the bag, lace uncut. This is the wig. Oh, and it has some lovely movement. Okay, you guys, will say the smell is awful. Oh my God, it smells like pee, almost. It smells like plastic and pee. I'm gonna give this wig a 5, honestly. The smell is nasty, but that'll dissipate over time. I can put some spray in it. I will link all of the wigs that I'm reviewing in the description box below. I cannot wait to wear this. Cute! Here is the wig. It was $45 for this wig. I'm gonna open her up. So here's the wig. Wow, that's very shiny. The wig cap is not a lace front, just a bang. This does not come with a wig cap. Okay, oh girl, here we go. Okay, this is adorable. It is very shiny. Okay, honestly, I'm kind of living for this. So this one was $45. Let me see if it has a smell. This does not smell bad. This actually smells good. It smells sweet. This looks good fresh out the bag as well. This might be another 5 out of 5 for me. I'm impressed. This is cute. The only thing I might say is this is so shiny that it clearly looks very wiggy. I'm gonna give this wig a 4.5 out of 5 because it is actually a little tight. I'm not mad at this. I am definitely not mad at this. This is cute. So this is what that looks like for $40.99. Let me open this up. Okay, this is kind of cute. So it comes in a little drawstring bag. Inside the drawstring bag is a plastic bag. Oh, 2 wig caps. I always say a wig should come with a wig cap, period. The hair feels higher quality than the fantasy wigs. Just trying to... This is cute. What I would probably do is tease this up, this bang up, keep this wavy curl, and then I might tease this part out a little bit here, and then set this with hairspray. But honestly, it feels higher quality than some wigs that I've bought for like $80 or so. This doesn't smell bad. It smells like it's been in a plastic bag for a while, which it has. But this one for, this is pretty cute. This is very nice. For $40.99, I love this little bang moment we have. This is actually pretty sexy. Oh, I didn't even see this. So it came with a little wig brush. Very cute. See, okay, I like the little things. I like getting the wig cap and I like getting the brush. And this one was $31.20 on lines. Came in a box with the cardboard, and this one is also not a lace front. This is a costume wig. So this is what it looks like. There's the cap. Okay, here we go. Oh no, girl, wait, what? I hate it. I hate this so much. Oh my God, I hate this. This is awful. Wait, how do I even do it? This was not meant for people with big heads. Damn it. The hook is stuck now. Okay, no. No, no, no. I can't even get this on my head. Do you see this? Okay, so far this wig has no redeeming qualities for me. Okay, you know, it's $30. It's blonde. I already don't like blonde. Okay, now that I have this on a little bit more properly, this is not awful, and this will work for some sort of like vaudeville Chicago 1920s reference. I don't like it personally. It might just be my personal opinion, but I'm here to rate the quality. And all I will say on the quality is the actual wig head, like the cap is kind of small. It was a little tricky to get on. Give it 5 stars. I don't like the wig cap was hard to get on for me. That would drive me crazy. Just me struggling to put it on produced this much flyaways. So now we're dipping into the cheap wigs. By any definition, this is a cheap wig. And this is the cute bob with bangs for $21.99. I'm a little skeptical. Comes in this box. This was in the other box, the Amazon wigs. Yay! Okay, so this comes with a wig cap and oh my gosh, okay, what is this? A note on some temporary tattoos. Okay, well that is cute. I appreciate the personal touch. And it came with 2 things of temporary tattoos. This is also a temporary tattoo. These are the other tattoos. So this says, it's mirrored, so I can only read it once I put it on. Or wait, can I like hold up a mirror to it? Let me see. Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Okay, Forrest Gump. Oh, and then we got some black swan earrings. Makes me a little nervous for the wig if they're trying to dress it up with all these freebies. So here's the wig. Oh my God, get off. Not very flexible cap. Like so. I'm not very hopeful about this one, you guys. Oh no. One moment. I had to spray it down because I can't stand to have wig hairs in my face, but this is giving me a little bit of like dominatrix vibe. I think that if I brush this out a little bit and sprayed it and really set it and maybe trimmed the bangs slightly, I'm thinking this could actually be kind of fierce. This could be a moment. This might actually be a moment. This is gonna get 3.5 stars from me. For 20 bucks, it's not that bad. Now is the true moment of budget truth. This next wig is only $7.99 from Amazon. It is sold by the shop Map of Beauty. Kind of actually long. And we're gonna open her up. So we have the wig, then we have the wig cap. Here's the cap, hard front. You can see there's not a lot of hair on this cap, so you definitely know it's a little bit cheaper. I mean, it's also $7.99. Okay, here we go. What? Okay. Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up. For $7.99, are you kidding me? This is literally cuter than the Fantasy wig for me. I am a little shook right now because this is cute. You guys, it's also not tight, it's comfortable. Whoa, okay. This wig is better than the last one I tried. This is better than that other choppy bob. And this is better than the Fantasy wig. Oh my God, I hated the 1920s one. Interestingly enough, the most expensive one, that one smelled the worst. I actually really liked the look of the hair, but it smelled terrible. So you can find pretty good wigs out there for not that much money. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite wig was, what your favorite style was, whether or not you agree or disagree with how they look on me. I just wanted to pop this one back on because this is my absolute favorite one out of the wigs that I reviewed today. A thumbs up if you like this type of video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that good stuff. That's gonna do it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. Till I see you guys next time, I hope you stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll see you very, very soon.